Assalamu alaikum grade 1. I hope you all are fine. This is lecture number 4, chapter number 2, more about numbers. Today we are going to discuss about comparing numbers. How we can compare two numbers? As you can see, there are 4 children in the picture and also 4 apples. Each child get 1 apple. So it's mean number of children is equals to number of apples. So both number is same. So when both number are same, we said the number of children is equal to the number of apples. In next example, there are 8 toy cars, as you can see here, and there are 5 toy animals. So now we compare these two numbers. If I make pairs, then what we see here, there are 3 extra toy cars, or we can say there are 3 more toy cars than toy animals. So toy cars are more than toy animals, or we can say that toy animals are less than toy cars. Number of toy car is greater than the number of toy animals, or we can also say number of toy animal is smaller than toy cars. So now we compare two numbers, number 8 and number 5. So which number is greater? Yes, of course, 8 is greater. So we can also say that 8 is greater than 5, or we can also write this expression as 5 is less than 8. Okay, now how we can write this expression? There is no need to write a full statement or a sentence. We just put sign between two numbers to show whether this number, first number, is greater than the second number or first number is smaller than the second number. So have a look to the signs of comparing numbers. I hope so. These faces are familiar to you. Yes, these are alligator faces. This alligator shows greater than sign. This alligator, this is equal to sign. When we say two numbers are equal, then we put this sign. And number third sign is less than sign. This is also alligator face. Then why we said this is less than and this is greater than? Because when the alligator face is open, when this side is open, we write here the greater number. So we can also say alligator want to eat a greater number. So as you can see here, 8 is greater than 3. You better know number 3 is the greater number or number 8. Yes, 8. So we just put here this sign. If there is a greater number, then we put greater than sign. But if there is smaller number, first there is smaller number, then we write here less than sign. This sign is known as less than. Why less than? Because from this side, the alligator face is closed, and from this side the alligator face is open. So remember, whenever we write these signs, we just write, whenever we compare two numbers, we have to put these signs, whether it is greater than, equal to, or less than. As you can see on your screen, there are two numbers to be compared, 7 and 9. Now tell me, which number is greater? Yes, number 9 is greater. So, the alligator face is towards 9. And we write 7 here, from where the alligator face is closed. So, we also read this as 7 is less than 9, or we can say also 9 is greater than 7. Next example, greater than. There are again two numbers, 8 and 3. Number 8 is greater than number 3. So, we put greater than sign because we start reading from this side. So, this is greater number and we put greater than sign here and smaller number here. So, we can also read it as 8 is greater than 3 or 3 is less than 8. Now there are two numbers which are equal. 4 is equals to 4. So both numbers are equal. They are same numbers. So there is no need to put greater than or less than sign. We put equal to sign to show the numbers are same. Now there are more examples of comparing two numbers. First number is 37, which is compared with 80. So think about it. 37 is less than 80, or we can say 80 is greater than 37. Second example, 61 and 8. You know that 61 is greater than, so you put greater than sign here. 61 is greater than 8 or 8 is less than 61. Third one is 3 is equals to 3. It's mean both numbers are equal. So you put equal to sign here. Next topic is ordering numbers. When we talk about numbers, we have an order. For example, in counting, we start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So, this order from smallest number to the greatest number shows this order. It is ascending order. When we talk about forward counting, this order is ascending order. From ascending order, we start counting from smallest to greatest. As you can see here, 1 is the smallest number, then 2, then 3, 4 and so on. So it's go upward. When we go upward, it's mean this is ascending order. Second order is descending order. What descending order? Descending is when you go down, when you go backward from greater number to smallest number. Here is 4 is greatest, then 3, 2 and 1. So when we go down, D for descending, D for down. Remember it. D for descending, D for down. Go down in descending order from greatest to smallest number. This order is descending order. As you can see the number line here from 0 to 20. When we write this order from smallest to greatest number, we can say this order is ascending order. Ascending order means when you start counting from smallest number to greatest number. And what descending order? When you go backward. As you better know about the backward counting, when you go backward, it is descending order. It's go down. As you can see the example, when you go upstairs, You start from very first step, which is first step, second step, third, and so on. So this order is known as ascending order. When you go upstairs, it's mean this is ascending order. You start from very first step. First step. You never jump from first to 7. You go step by step, and this order is known as ascending order. The example of descending order is when you go down, when you go downstairs from upper step to lower step. So this order is known as descending order. When you want to go up downstairs, D for down, D for descending. Remember it. When you go upstairs, it is ascending order, and when you go downstairs, it is descending order. Now there is one example. Arrange each of the following numbers in an ascending order. Now you can see 4 numbers here with B's. These are 7, 2, 6, 1. These are mixed numbers. You have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. So ascending, A for ascending. Now how you arrange them? You just take a smallest number here. What is the smallest number? Whatever smallest number is here, you write in the first box. So what is smallest number here? Yes, 1 is smallest number here. So you can write here 1. Then second number 2. Third number is not 3, because this is not a counting. These are numbers, so we take numbers from this question. After 2, there is number 6. And then lastly 7. This is ascending order. We write these numbers in ascending order from smallest to greatest. But when we write from greatest to smallest backward, from 7, 6 to 1, then this order is known as descending order. This is ascending order and this is descending order. Got it? Now there are more 2 examples. Arrange the following in ascending order. There are 2-digit numbers now: 25, 17, 38, 22, 46, 50, 19. Now we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. So first of all, ascending means, remember, ascending means start from smallest to greatest. So which number is the smallest? Yes, number 17 is smallest. So you write in first box 17. After 17 there is 19. You write second 19. Third one is 22. Fourth one is 25. Then 38. Then 46. And the greatest is 50. So you arrange these numbers in sequence. This sequence is known as ascending order. Ascending order is smallest to greatest. When numbers are arranged in order smallest to greatest, this order is known as ascending order. The second example is for descending order. Now write these numbers in descending order. So descending, go down. D for descending, D for down. So it's mean you start from very greatest number. Which is the greatest number here? Yes, 60 is the greatest number. So you write here 60. Then 56, 48, 34, 29, 17, and lastly 11. 11 is the smallest number. So this order is known as descending order, from greatest number to smallest number. I hope you better understanding now. It's your homework. Do book page number 24, 25 and 27. Thank you.